3.1 What is ecology? Biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all parts of the Earth in which life exists, including land, water, and the atmosphere. Ecology. It is the scientific study of the interaction among the organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. Levels of organization: biosphere, biome, ecosystem, community, population, and species. Kinds of factors. Biotic factor is any living part of the environment with which an organism might interact. Abiotic factor is any non-living part of the environment. Energy, producers, and consumers. Producers are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by the organisms. Consumers, organisms that rely on other organisms for energy and nutrients. Autotrophs. They use solar and chemical energy to produce their food. Heterotrophs. They must acquire energy from other organisms. Autotrophs. They use two kinds of processes to obtain their food. Photosynthesis. It uses solar energy to produce carbohydrates and sugars. Chemosynthesis. It uses chemical energy to produce carbohydrates and sugars. Consumers. Types of consumers. Carnivores. Eat animals. Herbivores. Eat plants. Omnivores. Eat both plants and animals. Scavengers. Consume carcasses of animals. Detritivores. Digest detritus particles. Decomposers. Chemically break down of organic matter. 3.3 Energy flow in ecosystems. Food chains and food web. Trophic levels and ecological pyramids. Trophic level, each step in a food chain or food web. Ecological pyramids, they show the relative amount of energy or matter contained with each trophic level in a given food chain or food web. Biomass number. Ecological pyramids. There are two types of pyramids: biomass and number. Biomass. A pyramid of biomass illustrates the relative amount of living organic matter available at each trophic level in an ecosystem. Number. A pyramid of numbers shows the relative number of individual organisms at each trophic level in an ecosystem.
Created using Powtoon.